Dante stared out at the sunny ice
Ocean.
ocean waves. They stretched farther than he couldn't see.
He could see, okay.
See anything out there.
Dante.
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 Okay, Dante.
Dante.
Dante's
dad asked. He told Dante about a shipwreck.
okay. Yeah, look at that.
Shipwreck.
Yeah.
What's that? Salsa.
Shipwreck.
Shipwreck.
Shipwreck. Shipwreck. Shipwreck.
Shipwreck.
Okay, shipwreck. So he told Dante about a
shipwreck near this very beach. The Golden Duke sank here in 1911. Dad said all the sailors swam to shore, but parts of the ship still wash up. Sometimes
okay.
they toss.
Dante's
eyes grew wider. He had always dreamed of finding treasure. He sat at the edge of the water thinking about the shipwreck when then something
shiny
caught his eye. Dante bent down and scooped
okay, scoop ice cream.
Scooped it up. It was a small coin. He held the coin high. He held the coin high. Dad, look what I found. His dad brushed off the
sand. So
sand.
the coin has some sand and it just brush off the
sand. This is really old.
Dante,
maybe even from the Golden
Duke.
He said with a wink.
Okay.
What is the
Anyone read this one?
What is the other purpose and main message in this text? The author wants to inform readers about the history of sailors and where they traveled. The author wants to entertain readers with a story about how adventure can be funny and found anywhere if we look for it. The other wants to inform readers about underwater treasure hunting and how scientists study with shipwrecks.
Good.
The other wants to entertain readers with a story about how family can help us overcome our fears.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's take it back.
Okay, good job. No, not yet. Yeah, I think I just did it this one. No.
So
Okay. Dinner
with
Carmen.
Dinner with Carmen. Max lived love spending
Max
loved spending time with his best friend Carmen. They played video games after school and shared everything with each other. One Friday,
Okay, I'm a Friday.
Carmen invited Max over for dinner at her house. You will love it. My grandma is making.
I don't know what's that. Oh, what has this? What's that?
Shipwreck.
It's kind of food.
Paella.
The rest, what's that?
Rice, meat, seafood, and vegetables.
Okay, that is it. Paella. How to say it? Paella.
Paella.
Paella. Okay. Anyway, paella. So my grandma is making
paella, and she's the best cook. Max was excited, but he was also a little bit worried. He had never had
paella.
Max usually stuck it on to his favorite food. It had taken days for his sister to get him to even try ice cream. Imagine
paella.
Paella might be full of
slimy, sticky thing. Okay, slimy. Okay. Paella. Yeah, this slimy.
Paella. paella,
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 paella.
slimy,
Slimy,
slimy, slimy,
Okay, slimy. No. Slimy. Warm. Yeah.
muddy,
Yes. Actually, it's not necessarily muddy. Yeah, that's slimy. You see, very sticky. Okay, slimy. So he imagined paella might be full of
slimy, vegetables, or spicy meal,
sauces.
sauces that would make his mouth bad.
Okay, it's kind of very spicy. Okay, make your mouth burn.
What if it's awful? Max wondered. What if Cameron's family is upset? What if Cameron stops begins been
What if Cameron stops?
been my friend? That evening, as Max walked to
Carmen's.
Carmen's house, he tried to think if of a polite ways to say no thank you.
Okay, Carmen. Do you remember you have a teacher?
Carmen.
Yeah, the teacher's name is Carmen.
The but then, when he arrived, Carmen's parents gave him a warm hug, and the house smelled delicious. The table was set with a big steamed fish dish, and the center.
Okay, center. Okay, in the center of the table.
Inside there was golden brown rice with bits of chicken and colorful vegetables. My grandma's famous
paella
from Spain.
Yeah, from Spain. Okay, in Europe, a country in Europe.
Carmen said
Proudly
as everyone sat at the table. She only makes it for special guests.
Good.
Max hot. Max heart beat wildly.
Yeah, wildly good.
And his chest.
Okay.
The food looked different from anything he'd eaten before. He gulped nervously and thought about how much Carmen's friendship
meant
to him. Max didn't want to hurt Carmen's feelings, and seem rude.
Okay, let's stop.